Good day, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to share another story, this time about respect. Respect is like a magic wand that makes everyone feel special and valued. When we treat others with respect, we create a world where kindness and friendship bloom like flowers in a magical garden. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush green forests, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known far and wide for her kindness, but there was one thing she held above all else: respect. Lily approached Tom with a warm smile. "Hi, I'm Lily. Would you like to join our game?" Tom looked up, surprised by Lily's kindness. Sure," he mumbled shyly. As they played together, Lily made sure to include Tom in every game and conversation. She listened to his ideas and treated him with the same respect she showed everyone else. As the day went on, Tom began to open up. He laughed and played with the other children, his loneliness melting away like dew in the morning sun. By the time the sun dipped below the horizon, Tom felt like he belonged. The next day, as Lily walked through the village, she noticed a crowd gathered around the fountain. Curious, she pushed her way through the crowd and gasped in amazement. There, in the center of the fountain, was a beautiful statue carved from marble. It depicted Lily standing hand in hand with Tom, surrounded by laughing children. The village elder stepped forward and addressed the crowd. "This statue," she said, "is a symbol of the magic of respect. It reminds us that when we treat others with kindness and respect, we create something truly beautiful." From that day on, the children of the village played together with a newfound sense of respect and understanding. And whenever they passed by the fountain, they were reminded of the power of respect to bring people together in harmony. And so, the village thrived, united by the magic of respect. And Lily, with her kind heart and unwavering respect for others, continued to spread joy and happiness wherever she went. Thank you for watching! Please like and subscribe to our channel for more stories and activities. Love you all!